I was involved in a car accident last year, and it was my fault. Subsequently, my insurance company asked me to provide details of my financial situation, like assets and income, and I told them that I had no liquid assets and no income. And so in order to, I assume, settle the third-party claim. And since then, I have heard nothing. And my question is, if my situation changes, if I win the lottery or something, where can they still come off? Can the insurance company still come after me with a claim for all the damage that I did?
No.
Last year.
No, I assume you're talking about your insurance company, not the other side's insurance company.
Yes, I am. Yeah.
No, you pay the insurance company the insurance premium. Their side of the bargain is to cover any losses that are incurred or any amount of money that you're sued for if you are responsible for a car accident. It's that simple. I don't know why they asked you for information about your assets and income. It's a bizarre question from an insurance company. Yeah. I've never known that before. I've had, I think in the 30 plus years I've been driving, I've had 2 accidents which were my fault. They've certainly never asked me that. It's none of their business. If they did ask me, I'd tell them exactly where to take their running jump to. But it's just bizarre. You are not liable for that if you have insurance in place. Please, Liz, don't worry about it.
May I add that my policy was probably void because the accident was due to drink driving.
Right. That does put a slightly different spin on things. Okay. If you were drink driving, if you were in breach of what I expect will be a term of your contract, your insurance contract, not to be under the influence of alcohol or drugs.
That's right.
Then they are still responsible to the third party, so they have to pay out, but they can recover the money from you.
I think that's what's happening, isn't it?
I think it may be. So if you have no assets, then they're not going to bother. They have 6 years in which to bring the claim.
6 years, oh right.
So if you win the lottery in 6 years and a week's time, you can write to them, say, I've won the lottery and you can't do anything about it.
Right.
If you win the lottery in 5 years' time, they can sue you.
I see. It's 6 years then.
It is.
Okay, that's interesting. Okay, that's really nice to know.